going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies1000.com. I want to make a quick video on this Pogo app just to show you how easy it is to make money with it. You will see here I have 210 points at the top of my account. That's basically 21 cents. All you're going to do here is claim items that you basically purchased or bills that you paid that's hooked up to your account, hooked up to your debit card. So all you got to do is push claim on each one of them and watch the points automatically go into your balance. Here, so I'm just pushing claim. You see the points automatically going in there. It'll keep track of things you purchased basically within the past couple of days, and you'll just basically claim them and keep claiming them until you reach basically 3,000 points. That's the minimum in order to cash out. Sometimes they'll have surveys here that you can take and get points for those as well. Sometimes the points might not go instantly, but they will get there eventually. So basically, like I said, in order to get the points for that, you have to actually hook up your debit card to the app. That way you can keep track of all the things that you have purchased. As I mentioned, you need 3,000 points in order to cash out. That's $3. You just kind of see the history of things that you'll purchase there. So you basically just go to these three slashes, click on profile information, and right there, that's where you hook up your debit card so they can, basically see what you purchased. And the amount of points you get for things, it really just depends on how much you spend. The cheaper items are less points. The more that you spend, you'll get more points for doing that. But it's very easy. All you got to do is enter your PayPal email or your Venmo account when you're ready to cash out, and they will actually send you the money instantly. You don't have to wait forever. So, that's the one thing I love about it. Instant cash outs, and it's a low cash out. You don't have to get $10, $20 before you're able to cash out. So, very easy app to use. It's really, nothing you have to do here. All you got to do is just basically go about your everyday life, just making purchases, things like that. And you will be able to basically, get credit for that, get points, and, cash out, all the time. So just want to make a quick video on that to show you how easy it is to make money with this. I will leave the link to it in the description so you can feel free to download it. And always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies1000.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.